Okay, so in this video I will tell you one of the weird TypeScript error. So here we have got one variable and it is of type array, and we are trying to store two numbers in that. And if you look at this error, it says source has 2 elements but target allows only 0. So source is this one, it has 2 elements and it is saying target allows only 0. So basically the way we define the type for the arrays is using this syntax. Okay, if you do not give the correct syntax, you will get that error. So you want to store in the numbers in the array, so you have to specify this type number and then followed by the square brackets. So that is how you can fix that error. Now another example I will give you, one of the complex arrays, like arrays that stores the objects. Okay, so this is another example. Now in here, this is an array, and what it is saying is that source has 2 elements but target allows only 0. And if you look at this at the top, it is saying type is not assignable to type, this one. So what happens is that we are trying to store this array of objects in this variable, but we have declared this variable of this type array. So you need to specify this type properly. If we have not specified, okay, what kind of objects we want to store in this array. So basically you have to create the interface like this one, you can see interface, and then specify like what kind of objects you want to store. So we want to store id, title, complete, these properties as you can see here. So you can mention those properties and the types of those properties as well. So id will be number, title will be string, complete will be boolean, and that's how you can specify these details, and then you can store these objects. And also in your, you have to give the type like this. Okay, because initial to do this variable is going to store the array of objects of this to do type. So same way how we did it for the primitive number, same way we have to give it here. And also if you do not give the correct types for these properties, it will throw errors. For example, id should store only numbers, as you can see we have specified here. But in case if you specify any other types of string, it will throw error, it will not allow you. Because what happens is that it will check the type of the object. So the error is saying type string is not assignable to type number, which is correct, because this is a string and then we are trying to assign it to a type id, variable id, which is of type number. So string cannot be stored in the number, simple way. So that is why TypeScript very useful to enforce these kinds of rules, basically type safety of your code. Thanks for watching.